There's a nice Yamaha receiver. This is a straightforward stereo unit, RX-397. And you can see it's got the basic standard control knobs on the front. It's got the loudness that they like to do. I'm going to go ahead and drop this phono. Let's see, we're listening to phono. Let's see how. Also, got a CD changer back there playing up to this. You can see that. Right now I've got A and B speakers are both connected, so you can see. There, and inputs over here, so we can go. Nothing on aux right now. Mini disc. Tuner. I've got a couple of things saved in the tuner memory. But very nice unit overall. Nice and straightforward, easy to use. Nice look to it. Can't beat it for a nice sound for the classic stereo. Very nice.